up, YouTube? New month, new opportunities, guys. If you're ready to make some money this month, let me know down in the comments below. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to hedge. I'm going to be teaching you guys covered calls, debit spreads, just a couple little wrinkles and twists to add to your game to take advantage of this market. Okay, so February, we turn it up just a little notch. Okay, lots to teach you guys, lots to show you, just so I can make sure you well equipped on your journey. Okay, as always, Coach has a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it, guys. We kicking it off with the most anticipated earnings for this week, okay? And we got a few names that gets Coach's attention, guys. Take your eyes to Monday, tomorrow, after the market close. Guess who is on deck? Palantir. That is one of my best performing stocks. I got this at $8.49. $8.69, and they have changed many lives with this. They will be on deck. That will be the main one I'll be focused on for Monday. Okay, that's after the market close, so after 4 p.m. Eastern time, be checking that out. Okay, and then Tuesday in the morning before the market open, you got PayPal. I want you guys to look at Spotify. That's one you always should have your eye on, Spotify. Okay, you got other things like Pfizer, Regeneron, Pepsi, Ferrari, okay? But after hours, check this out on Tuesday, you have AMD. That is one that gets close attention. You have Google, otherwise known as Alphabet, okay? You got Snap, you got Chipotle. That's another good one as well. Amgen, Enphase. You got some heavy hitters on Tuesday after the close. So the market could have a lot of volatility this week, and then we jump in it off on Wednesday, getting right back in there with Uber, okay? Then you got Walt Disney, okay? You got Boston Scientific. Then after the close, you got Ford and Qualcomm, and then you got ARM. Pay attention to that one. That one can do numbers after earnings. And then you got Eli Lilly and Amazon, Affirm, just to name a few, guys. So point being, okay, with everything we got going on in the world and the country, then you got these earnings, okay? And so I want you to understand, if your company is on deck, you need to be paying attention, okay? If it go up, you put your feet up, okay? That's a job well done. You're reaping the benefits because you've been in some of these companies from the get-go. If your companies go down, your investor, you jump in your investor bag for me. If the company goes down on earnings, a lot of these companies are going to beat. Okay, they're going to crush earnings, but sometimes Wall Street, they are haters. Okay, so they might push the stock down. If that happens, don't you panic. Don't you turn your face up. What you do is you buy more of a good quality company, preferably at a lower price, because guess what? If it's a false move down, it's going to eventually come back to its rightful place, back up higher, okay? Look at everything as an opportunity in the market. Lock in some profit if you need to, and then reposition on any moves down. There's many things you can do. You don't have to just sit through anything that the market throws at you, no matter if it has to do with earnings or anything else, okay? And so I'm big on see profit, take profit, rinsing and repeating. I buy these same plays, guys. That's not my long-term buy and hold forevers. I buy these same plays over and over. I buy them low. I ride them up to a specific target. I sell them, okay? I sell them. I let the dust settle. I let them come all the way back down, okay? Like, so for example, Palantir. I might buy it at 60 now because I have this since $8. But a recent buy might be 60. I might buy a call at 60, take it to $80 and sell it. Okay, now I made my money. I'm scotch free. Earnings is here. It can go either way. I don't care one way or the other. But if it go down, I'm looking to buy it again at 60. That's the rinse. And I'm taking it back to 80 or higher. That's the repeat, okay? And I just do that over and over. I don't sit through drawdowns. I use a stop loss. I manage my risk. And I'm just doing that time and time when you have a money maker. Then I have another account where I'll just buy and hold it and kind of let it go through the different ebbs and flows, okay? But when I'm trading and I'm making money and I'm growing my wealth, I'm not just sitting like a sitting duck, just letting Wall Street do whatever they want to do. No, when they hit my target, I'm taking profits, okay? So check this out, guys. I got some plays for you all to make sure that you are focused on for this week. But check this out, real quick word I want to put on you. I don't know if you guys are men and women of God like myself, but Matthew 5:14, you are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Don't ever forget that, guys. You are the light. You are the light. Don't let that go over your head, okay? Listen to this, man. XRP, all right? Put this on your radar. If you catch any dips under $2.50, if you catch this anywhere having a type of sell-off, look at it as your opportunity to accumulate. If you are over here, you need a diversified portfolio. When I say diversified, I'm talking crypto, I'm talking Bitcoin, I'm talking ETFs, I'm talking individual stocks, dividend stocks, and you need to learn how to trade options. Okay, covered calls, put options, call options. This month, I'm going to give you guys a hedge. I'm going to give you a put option that is going to possibly change a lot of you guys' lives, just so you know how to make money temporary during moments of uncertainty and moments when your stock might be going down temporarily. So we're going to do it together. We're a family. If I'm making money, you making money, okay? XRP, had it on deck. If you got this, let me know. How many of these do you have? What's your average cost? You guys know the game. You know how we put it down. Bitcoin, okay? Check this out. Back under 100K. So anytime it come under 100K, look for it to accumulate. Guys, this can go to 108. Eventually, when it get back to running again, it's going to go to 120 before going to 200,000. So some buy zones. Write these levels down, okay, guys? You need to always know, if you're playing this game, where you should be buying at. Okay, 90,000. That's a buy zone. That's a dollar cost average zone. You treat these the same way, for example, that you would when you're trying to build out some of your blue chip companies, okay? These have targets too. These have areas of support too. 90K is one. 75K is the next level, okay? If it get down there, don't turn your face up. Don't do any of that. If you can get this low, knowing that I'm telling you the levels is going to 107, 120, and 200,000, you're not going to be caring nothing about 75K the day they have it pinned down there, okay? When you know long term where this is going, all right? Bitcoin, know your levels, change your life, okay? Don't just buy it randomly. Don't be the person that buy it at 108,000, but you didn't buy it when it's at 90,000, 75,000, 50,000, 20,000, okay? That's backwards investing, all right? Check this out. It's my dark horse, but this is going to be the best stock of 2025 is Meta, guys. Ticker symbol META. Do not sleep on this. I'm telling you, if you want to make a lot of money, you don't need none of this. You can just do this play right here, and it will change your life. Point blank, period. I can't make it no more plain than that. However, you buy this in the 500s and preferably in the 4s. If you ever see it in those levels, whatever you need to do, you back up the Brinks truck for this, okay? That's Meta. This is your dark horse. This is Coach's dark horse. This play will crush it. They already hit 700. This is what I mean. They just was at 707. Okay, they didn't get price acceptance there, but that's letting you know we knocking on the door. We done had this since the 80s, okay, since the hundreds, okay. So again, just like Palantir changed your life, this is another play that is up tremendously and that has the power to do the same. But guess what? This is going to keep doing it till it get to $1,000, okay. So again, pace yourself, give yourself ample time, get it low, knowing that you at least got this going back to 707 before we go to 720 and 750, all right. So, but even from there to there is good money, all right. Google is another one. I've been loving them. I told you they were going to $200. Look at this, guys. Look at this, sitting at 202.66. All right, if they fall back under 200, although that's not a good thing, you now know the level. One thing you guys got to know about investing, they try to teach and give you clues. So they'll hit a number. There's no coincidences in the stock market. Write this down. There's no coincidences in the stock market. When they hit a price target, when they show you a number, they're doing that intentionally. They're coming back to that number. So we at 202.66. So if this comes back to 180, I want you to remember, man, Coach was pounding the table about 202.66. If I can get it from 180 to 202.66, man, that's a nice 25% move just from there to there. And then if you do that with options, though, it's a game changer. Okay, just trying to teach you some little game, guys, of how you need to look at this. If it comes down, your hands should be getting rubbed together like Birdman. You should be like, yes. Like, so we crash tomorrow because the tariffs and all the stuff we're dealing with China, with Mexico, with Canada, and all of that. Say if that is a negatively received and perceived by the market on tomorrow, and we crash like we did last Monday. Okay, again, we wasn't in the market that did it pre-market, but if you open up and this is already down back at 190, okay, you need to be like, yep, this is what Coach meant. Even if I get it at 190, 185, I know it's going back to 202.66. Let me know if that makes sense. This is one of those ones for this year. Meta, Google, check this one out, and Amazon will be another one, okay? Sitting at 236.01. Same thing. Everything I just said about Meta and Google, I can say the same thing about this in terms of the technicals, in terms of what's going to make you money this year. Okay? Nvidia is going to get caught in battles with Trump, with AI, with chips, with all the little stuff coming down the pipe with that. So they won't move as smooth, but they'll still get you there in due time. But these ones ain't going to have to deal with that. And so guys have to sometimes know where to go play ball at. What part that everybody is hooping at that you need to be at if you want to kind of be amongst the elite, okay? Then XLC. For those of you that work, for those of you that can't keep up with all of this, do me a favor, add the XLC to your portfolio, okay? You want to add this fund to your portfolio. This is an ETF for communications that will, again, serve you well, do numbers on your behalf, and give you access to all the best communication companies, okay? They do the legwork for you. Throw XLC on there, throw XLF in there as well. This is all the top financial companies, okay? Financials are likely to do decent under this administration. All right, you need to know that this ain't about whether you like so and so, or this ain't about. Don't ever get caught up in none of that stuff that's related to politics. Keep your eye focused on your personal individual wealth goals. Okay, don't ever get it twisted. All right, financial sector is what you need to be focused on for there. Okay, and so these are some of the ones that for February are going to lead the way. Make sure if you don't do nothing else, put them on a watch list or put them on your radar, okay? That's what Coach wants you to do. But if you don't have these, consider them. If you do have them on any red day, 5% down day, 10% down day, or 20% down day, add more. Let me know if that's understood, okay? Listen, we are going to crush it this week. Coach don't care nothing about what they doing. When you know the technicals, when you know how to read the chart, and you are flexible and nimble, meaning you make money in both directions like we do over here, you just be ready for the Monday to come so we can get in the game and do what we do. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Everybody else consider joining the money team. The links for both will be down in the description below, okay? Major salute so far to everybody that has joined. Send me a screenshot. Just let me know you rocking out with Coach. I got a lot of them already from you guys, so great job. You're all set. Our option is going to come out Monday morning. All right, you guys are good to go. Just be ready to make some money. Bring your A game first thing Monday morning. We're going to set the tone for the week. That's what we do. Monday sets the tone. Friday sets the standard. So listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, but if you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.